Welcome to SomeGuy's Garage. It's Tool Test Tuesday, and today we're going to compare these 7 different kinds of needle nose pliers. First, the Knipex 2611-200s. They are 8 inches long, weigh 171 grams, and open to 3.57 inches. Second, the Channellock 3017. They are also 8 inches long, weigh 227 grams, and open to 2.43 inches. Third, the Gearwrench 82073. They are 7.5 inches long, weigh 168 grams, and open to 1.68 inches. Fourth, the Mastercraft. They are 8 1/4 inches long, weigh 248 grams, and open to 1.82 inches. Fifth, the Gearwrench Pivot Force. They are 8 3/8 inches long, weigh 354 grams, and open to 1.09 inches. Sixth, the Easy Red Kiwi. They are 9.5 inches long, weigh 282 grams, and open to 2.19 inches. Seventh, the Gearwrench Double X. They are 13 1/4 inches long, weigh 394 grams, and open to 1.94 inches. Here's a summary of all those statistics. Next, we'll test their strength using nominal pressure from one hand. First, the Knipex at 51 pounds. Second, the Channellock at 73.6 pounds. Third, the Gearwrench at 57.2 pounds. Fourth, the Mastercraft at 85 pounds. Fifth, the Pivot Force at 107 pounds. Sixth, the Kiwi at 61.2 pounds. Seventh, the Gearwrench at 47.6 pounds. Here are the strengths added to the chart. And finally, we'll test to see how much force before they start to twist. First, the Knipex at 24.2 pounds. Second, the Channellock at 46.8 pounds. Third, the Gearwrench at 32.6 pounds. Fourth, the Mastercraft at 38.6 pounds. Fifth, the Pivot Force at 81.2 pounds. Sixth, the Kiwi at 8.2 pounds. And seventh, the Double X at 21.6 pounds. Here are the twisting forces added to the chart. As well, here's where all the pliers place on the tool score charts. I really like the Channellocks as they provide good quality, performance, and value. The Knipex are really well made, but a bit more delicate. The Gearwrench are decent, but nothing really stands out. The Mastercraft are a good value and quite strong. The Double X pliers are really useful for their compact long reach. The Kiwi pliers are a bit of a gimmick unless you really need the offset. The Pivot Force pliers are extremely strong, but not an everyday plier. So that's the Tool Test Tuesday of needle nose pliers. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.